Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I want to share with you another offering and also first look and unboxing of the Black Fox Ciol or Ciol, or how to pronounce it. It is the model number BF-748 MIB, and it comes in a really nice presentation box. This is what you can expect. So there is a silica packet, the knife itself, and also Fox will provide you a small leather sheet. Let me take it out of the packaging. Okay. So firstly, when I saw this knife, I was really surprised that Fox is also jumping on the wagon and producing a Micarta, let's say fairly budget offering, but still not that inexpensive. And here is the sheath. It's a bio armor. So do not eat. Yeah, I don't know why, but let's be safe than sorry. So this is a small just a slip pocket or slip sheet. And so the Ciol is a modern traditional slip joint. I would put it in that category, but definitely has really nice, not that traditional curves to it. You can see a pronounced recurved blade, a squared handle. So yeah, so I was surprised when they announced this model, and so finally I could order one. So I would like to share my experiences with you. So firstly, let me say this is a really light knife. Usually I give you the specification first, but let's talk about weight. So this comes at 44.1 grams, so this is 1.5 ounces. That is without the sheet, so really nice and light. It is a backlock construction, so a slip joint construction, so there is no backlock, but you have a half stop. Really nice walk and talk. So the specifications are we have a O length of 16.2 centimeters or 6.54 inches. The blade length is 6.9 centimeters or 2.7 inches. The blade width is 1.9 centimeters or 0.75 inches. The blade thickness is 2.6 millimeters, 0.1 inch. The handle thickness is 0.9 centimeters or 0.35 inches. The designer of this knife is Denis Simonutti. Probably this is his maker's mark right there, the spider. So the materials on this one, we have a 440C, nicely stone washed. They say it is a satin, but for me, as I understand the blade surface finishing, it is stone wash, so really nice fine stone wash. You have the Fox knives logo there, steel variant, and also the model number of the knife on the other side. So we have a nice recurve, so this will help you with all those cutting tasks, maybe opening packages, maybe opening also plastic bands and so on. So definitely this is a really nice EDC option. Let me try out the pouch. So I could push it a little bit further down, but then probably I will not be able to take it out, but definitely you can use this pouch and have, let's say, let me grab a piece of leather cord, so something like this. You will put make a few nice knots on there, and then it will be no problems to even have it completely pushed down. So this will be probably problematic to take it out without a lanyard, but if you have a lanyard, no problems there. And then have it, of course, in your fifth jean pocket, or if you have any kind of trousers, or any kind of maybe your shirt. But even at about 1.5 ounce with the sheath, vary more, it will be tugging on your shirt pocket. So, but it's up to you. Definitely doable. Okay, let's see the sharpness out of the box. Yeah, nice and sharp. I always suggest if you are getting your knife, then you should just lightly strop it with your favorite polishing compound to put even better performance onto the edge. Given this is 440C, it has a really nice corrosion resistance and also cutting resistance, and you will have to sharpen it a few times while you are using it, but nothing problematic, of course. If you would go with if they would go with a higher end steel, then this would probably cost more. Okay, so now let's talk about the pricing, because this is a little bit out there. So when I checked, let's talk about the MSRP. So an MSRP 6 sets in $69.95. So currently, I don't know when you're watching this video, but currently when I'm making this video in the mid of 2021, these go on a knife center for $52.95. For some reason in Europe they are a little bit cheaper. They go around 32 to 35 euros. So do your conversion and you will find out the pricing. It should be around 0.83. Okay, but yeah, there is a difference. These are made in China. For Black Fox is a subsidiary of Italian Fox knives. The Black Fox is so let's say more budget friendly division or brand of this large Italian company. Okay, so now let's see some sizes. Here's a Swiss Army knife. Usually it looks like the same. Then let me bring out a CVV Elementum. CVV Rustic Gent with my cord modification right there. Kaiser Pinch, which looks they have similar micartas used on them both. Let me show you. So this is definitely what I would say Chinese micarta with a little bit darker shade. The weave looks really similar. Yeah. Okay, so here's the 940 from Benchmade. Bug Vintage Select. Red Model 2, Small Reptilian, Kershaw Leak, Kershaw Blur, Spyderco Delica, K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter, Kershaw Shuffle 2, Case Tribal Lock, and the 1509 from Brother. Okay, so if you are looking for something really nice, lightweight, not threatening, probably not threatening, then the Ciol is a nice offering from Black Fox, right available out there. You have, I forgot to mention, you have screws, screw down construction, so if you want to disassemble it, clean it, you could. There is also a green Micarta version available. Maybe probably in the future they will also offer it with wood. If not by the time when the video is up, so just search for the Black Fox Ciol and you will see what the current offering is. But I would suggest this will do really nicely for Black Fox because it fills a specific I'll say a specific need to have a capable, small, lightweight knife slip joint where it's not permitted to have a locking knife with a good strong lock. So you have to really overcome it. And also if you are like me, a fan of Micarta, then definitely this is something you will be happy with. So here it is, the Black Fox Ciol. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. And if you are not, then please consider subscribing. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, but sometimes also other stuff regarding my other hobbies. So if you would like to see a specific knife, or maybe a comparison, or maybe some of my old videos, then let me know, and if I have time, I will probably try to produce the video and upload it. Okay, so wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon. Bye.